found where it's coming from. Oh, shit. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. Yep, that's a lot of water. And it's all coming from up in there. That's lovely. Oh, man. I felt a drip on my hand and was wondering, all right, well, there's a drip. It's coming from somewhere, and then boom, it just started cascading down like a waterfall. Oh, my Lord. That's nuts. So, what's probably happening, what's more likely happening, more than likely, is because this is all clogged, there's probably stuff in there, too. It's all the water's backing up and being forced into the engine bay, or being forced into the cabin behind the firewall right there. So yeah, my suggestion would be stop parking it under a tree. That's where it's coming in from. So it's all just building up in here, and then it's going down through there. So that door is probably open, and it's all just overflowing because it's clogged and just going right in that door. That's horrible. I'm trying to look for drain holes here. Yeah, I don't know. That's disgusting. All draining through into there and then going into the cabin. Yeah, it's disgusting. There it goes, all because I loosened some dirt up right there. It was all blocking that hole, and it's all just running out. Yeah, that's disgusting. So I'm gonna have to wash all that out, and then there might be one over here. Yeah, right there. There's a nice pile of dirt. Yep, it's all just going out. Yep, all because the side drains were clogged with stuff from being parked under a tree. Yeah. Tree boogies. I mean, like, you can tell. Tree boogies. Tree boogies. Yeah. Gonna have to rinse all that down. But, yep, that'll do it.